I think we can all agree that making it easy for visitors to find what they need is a crucial part of running an online store today. Through our more than 10 years in the e-commerce space, we've narrowed down the best ways of making this a reality with our intelligent search function. Stay tuned to find out how to implement a best-in-class search experience for your customers that is guaranteed to increase your conversion rate. In this video, I will talk about using an Instant Search Dropdown for showing results immediately, and using a dedicated search page with filters for when customers want to browse more thoroughly. You'll learn of the best way to design these elements to catch interest quickly. And lastly, I will show you how to use our dedicated Search Insights dashboard to learn from your customers and grow smartly by focusing on the right aspects of your business. The Instant Search Dropdown is the first component of Clerk's search function. We see up to 60% of visitors find what they need directly from this dropdown. It works so well because it predicts what the customer is trying to search for and starts recommending results in real time. It's no secret that we as consumers get less and less patient as the internet becomes easier to use. We get distracted and bored easily, and so presenting your catalog after just the first few characters makes a huge impact. While product should be the main focus in this dropdown, after all, that's what it all boils down to ultimately, right? Showing your categories is important for navigation, and showing your blogs and articles helps establishing yourself as an expert in your field by promoting your knowledge. We see the best results when products make up around 70% of the visibility of this dropdown, with categories and pages making up the remaining 30%. Lastly, make sure to display a See All Results button after your product so visitors know when you have more matching items. So, when a customer is in a rush to buy a helmet for American football in order to, well, not die during practice, they can rest assured that there are plenty of helmets available, and they can even educate themselves on sizing before buying. Have you seen how brutal that sport is? Where the Instant Search Dropdown is optimized for fast results and overview, the search page is all about making it easy to browse your entire catalog. We recommend showing somewhere between 40 to 60 products at a time, and then use a Show More Results button to load the following pages until there are no more results available. This is to optimize the initial load speed of the page, which is most important for keeping the attention of the user initially. Where the search page really shines though, is by combining it with the third and final component: filters. Filters can also be referred to as facets, as they make it effortless for visitors to mix and match which product facets they want to see in mere seconds. Maybe the visitor is on a budget and wants to pay a maximum of 400 euros for a helmet, but they also want it to be available in metallic silver because style matters. In just 2 clicks, the right products are right there. Best of all, Clerk's Facets adapts to each search to only display filters that are meaningful. For example, showing shoe size makes perfect sense when browsing boots, but possibly not when browsing shoulder pads. Unless you have no idea how to put on clothing, in which case, boy, it's gonna be a tough life. Make sure to use filters that are relevant for your catalog. Categories, price, and brand make sense basically everywhere, but if you also have colors, sizes, dimensions, text specs, and so on, use those as well. If you've got them, flaunt them. One of the most crucial aspects of making it easy to search is simpler than you might think. Just show your search field. Yes, at all times. Many webshops tend to hide the search field behind small buttons or hiding it in menus, which is natural when you have a, well, bad search function. We all tried them. When you have an advanced AI-based sales assistant like Clerk though, you should make sure that all visitors can find it immediately. I mean, if you just hired a new senior sales expert for your physical store, you would not put her in the way back of the store to put wares on the shelves. She should be out front talking to customers, right? This is best done by having your search field visible in the top menu, either in the very middle or to the right at all times, both on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Ideally, it should take up somewhere between 25 to 50% of your top menu so it really catches attention. It might seem like a lot, but there's a reason why Amazon's header is practically half search field, half everything else. It works. Your input field should also have a short explanatory placeholder text like search among 4,000 articles or search the entire store here. Apart from this, the main focus is on visualizing your products. In the dropdown, we recommend a list layout to give a great overview initially, with categories and pages shown to the right. Use headlines to make it easy to differentiate between results. On the search page, a grid view often works best to see each product more clearly when browsing larger result sets. For both the dropdown and search page, make sure that all products have a high-resolution image, name, price, and discount when it exists, and a clear call to action. This is to quickly pique the interest and create the urge to know more. Lastly, your results should match your brand colors and fonts for a cohesive look across the webshop. You have several ways of designing elements in Clerk, from a no-code design editor to fully embedded HTML templates. See much more about this in our video on designing from the link in the description. While Clerk will automatically adapt search results based on your customers' actions, it's still important for you to learn from what they do to grow other aspects of your business. Search Insights allows you to identify behavior you need to react on. Maybe customers search for product you don't currently have, or they use synonyms you've never thought of. After all, how were you supposed to know that people would search for body pillow when they actually mean shoulder pads? Yeah, we're all weird. Luckily, a synonym in the Clerk admin can solve this in less than 10 seconds. This gives you unparalleled insight into how your customers search, which is why we recommend you to check this dashboard regularly as part of your business analysis, at least once a month. But let's face it, you likely check your business metrics more often. Finally, we recommend using merchandising to streamline your marketing goals. A strong starting point is to sync the margin of each product and then boost everything that you earn the most from selling. Clerk will still use its advanced AI to make sure the right products are presented to each customer, but now with an added emphasis on the higher margin items. This is a great way of increasing your profits. Check the dashboards and merchandising videos, also found in the description, for much more info about these functionalities. These are the best practices for using Clerk's intelligent search on your webshop. To summarize, use a combination of an instant search dropdown showing products, categories, and pages, and a full search page with filters. With this, you make it effortless for customers to find results quickly and also browse large catalogs in seconds. When it comes to design, the most crucial aspect is making sure that your search field is clearly visible at all times on any device, and that you visualize your products with a high-resolution image, name, price, and call to action, both in the dropdown and on the search page. A list view is ideal for the dropdown and grid view for the page. After automating your search function, make sure to regularly check your Search Insights dashboard to identify the most important opportunities for growing your business. This could be adding synonyms, stocking highly sought after products, and anything else you can find. Ultimately, if you want to grow your business by working smarter, not harder, you need Clerk in your tech stack. It's the best way to attract, convert, and retain your customers. So yeah, what are you waiting for?